On today's virtual tour, we talk marble countertops in a satin finish and beveled tile backsplash. Great combination. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today's virtual tour is Kitchen Crate Nevis Street in Pleasanton. Now, this is a real classic kitchen crate in that there's not a lot of add-ons to this project. This was a cut and dry project. I think you're going to see that even with that smaller scope of work, the transformation is quite amazing. So let me give you a little tour of the overall project. The first thing that you're probably going to notice on this job is the beautiful marble countertops. This is called Fantasy Brown. It's a product from Arizona Tile, and it just has a beautiful look to it, a lot of movement in this marble, and also a satin finish, and so there's less of a polish, and just a really nice piece of countertop material that came together on this job. Another thing you'll notice is the two-tone cabinet paint. We did a kind of a white color on the primary cabinets, and then once again kind of a darker, richer tone on the island, and both of those really played well once again with those marble countertops. Now let's take a look at the backsplash, because you're going to see a 4x12 tile, and you're going to notice it's a little different than most tile because it has a beveled edge to it. What that means is it's just a slight angle along the edge, and what that does is it creates shadowing and a little bit of a different effect for the backsplash as you're looking at it in conjunction with the rest of the design decisions. Once again, very simple kitchen crate project for this customer. We also did a little bit of work on an adjacent bathroom for this particular customer, and we just love the way this transformation came together. So more information on kitchen crate. We'd love to show you a ton of before and after projects on our website at kbcrate.com, or give us a call at 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.